Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is the channel. So what am I putting in my closet today? Well, I have a Stitch Fix and it's a small box. And with Stitch Fix, they do the preview now where you can actually pick out your items. They send you 10 items and you can pick out 5 of those. So you can actually style your own 5 for 5. Well, ever since they started it, I don't think I've ever styled my own 5 for 5. I picked out maybe 2 to 3 of the items and then they send the rest. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button if you like my video and content. Hit that like button and the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much. You know how much I love your support for my channel. It means so much to me. So in this Stitch Fix, I previewed everything. And, you know, when they send out the box, you can preview it. I didn't like a thing. So I'm going to unbox it and you guys can tell me if I'm wrong for not liking anything, if you like something, but I'm not going to do a try on because since I'm not keeping anything, I don't want to, you know, wear the clothes, try on the clothes, and then just send them back. So there's the bag, which all my clothes are going to go back into. You know, it's hit or miss. And now that we have the warmer weather, at least by us, but like last night, it rained, it pounded rain. I couldn't even sleep. That's how much rain we got. And then you get your stylist note. And I always ask for the same stylist. I've had Susie for a long time and she does a great job. I think because I get so many boxes, it's hard to find new pieces. And I still have Susie and I am looking for, I mean, I have a ton of jeans at this point. I have shorts. I'm looking for more of a 5-inch seam than they seem to send me like the 3-inch and I'm too old for that. And then I have the bundle. And, you know, maybe I'll change my mind when I see it in person. It's just, you know, with my lifestyle and the way my body type is, I don't know. The first thing was these jeans. They're 1822 Better Butter Denim. I just did not like the color. I just don't think this is a good color for me in general. I just don't like the color. I liked, it's got a ton of stretch. And these are a size 8. And so I liked them in general. I liked the back. I liked the length. I don't like this color for me. When I see them on other people, of course, it always looks great. So let me know if this is a color that is more for your body, but I liked, look at the stretch these have. So as I said, I'm not gonna keep them, so I didn't want to stretch them and try them out. It's got the zipper and it's got this nice button here. See if you can see that. So overall, I liked them. And they're an 8/29 length and they're called a slim straight. So I think they would look great. I have to check and see if they have these in a dark denim because I do like them. But I don't know if I wear this color, I think in a short, but not in pants. And these were my little price sheet. And as you know, with Stitch Fix, if you buy all 5, you get that 25% discount. So I don't know how many times I bought that 5th piece just to get the discount, but in this case, and the jeans were $58. So not a bad price for Stitch Fix jeans. and the 1822 brand. So the next is this little top, and I want to say they've sent this to me before, but it might have been a year or two ago. It's a cute top. I'm not a big green person because I have such light skin. Green just isn't me. Occasionally I'll find something in green, so I'm not really a green person. I like the style of this top, but I probably wouldn't reach for it that much. It's got that great detailing in there. Maybe if I was working and I could throw a sweater, cardigan, or blazer over it with some beige pants or black pants, it would be perfect. But just for a casual top to wear around, it wasn't for me. And this is by Monday Fun. It's the Sue Tulip sleeve top in a large, and they're calling the color olive. So, I mean, it's got great detailing. So, as I said, maybe if I was working and I could layer it, it would be great, but I'm not gonna reach for it. So I have to be honest with myself. And that is a size large, and it's $44. And I don't think I would pay $44 for that top. And then we got this color, and I kind of like it. Again, with my light skin, it's difficult. And again, I'm a casual girl because, you know, I don't work, and I do a lot of outdoor activity. And this is a Monday Fun in a large. I don't think it's the same top. It is Shaylin Flutter sleeve. I guess I should get my glasses. But I can't tell if no, it isn't the same because it doesn't have that detail. But it is a cute top. If I was working, or I guess I'd have to be working, because this is just, to me, not a casual outdoor top. And I'm probably gonna guess it's the same price. So let's check that out. And they're calling this the Burgundy, and this is $40. So it's a few dollars cheaper. And this top I thought I might like till I saw the price. This is the Daniel Rain Brin Scoop Neck Pleat Detail Knit Top in white in a large. And we're gonna be going to, my kids are coming in from Chicago, and my daughter's coming in from Germany, and my 90-year-old mother is gonna meet the baby for the first time. And unfortunately, my daughter has to go back to Germany, but myself and my son and his family, we're gonna go to San Diego for a few days. So I do need some like vacation wear. And I thought this might be it. It's really cute. It looks a little tight. So I would probably have to get the extra large, and then I'm thinking it would be too big. But I really like the top. It was the Brin Scoop Neck Pleat Detail Knit Top by Daniel Rain in a large. And to me, this is a casual top that I could wear, not with the sweater, but I could wear this. And I thought, oh, this might be a keeper. And then I saw the price. And the price of this is, let me see which one I had. Daniel Rain. They're calling this white, and it was $58. So as much as I like, you know, to buy new clothes and buy new clothes for vacation, you know, with the tax and stuff, would you pay $60 for this? I probably wouldn't wear it enough to make this $58 worth. But I did like it. I love the pattern. I love the bag. You know, everything about it I liked. but I'm not gonna pay $58 for it. And then the last item, another top, and I'm a top person because I wear a lot of denim shorts, and so you can mix and match the tops, was this one. And I thought this was too out of my comfort zone. It was too bright for me. And this is by Serene. I don't even know if I've heard of this brand. I'm sorry, let me get Le Serene, and it's a jasmine split neck knit top, and they're calling this off-white in a large. And I like the style. It's got the little stringies, and I don't know how I feel about those, but I didn't like the pattern. It's got that pattern on the top. It's this bright color, and then again, it's got that pattern on the bottom. And this just is not me. I could not do the mixed pattern and this bright burgundy. I love burgundy. I have burgundy sweaters, burgundy tops, but this, no, I don't think so. And let's check the price on that one. And I can't believe they're calling it off-white, and this is $40. So it's not an overpriced top, but the mixed patterns and the color just kind of turned me off. So the total price of this box is $240. If I bought everything, I'd get $60 off, and it would come to $180, which isn't horrific for 5 pieces, especially a pair of jeans. But since I only like the one most expensive top, I'm not keeping anything. And of course, shipping is free, and then they add the tax. So I'm sending it all back. But let me know if you have any favorite pieces. What was your favorite piece? As I said, I love that blue and white top, but for $58, I think I can find it somewhere else. So please leave me comments below. Thank you guys for taking the time out to watch my video, and have an awesome day.